So pharma one has to be selective. Overall, the leadership is very clear. We've seen Sun Pharma hold on, Dr. Reddy break out, but there are a lot of stocks which are bouncing back after being oversold or after selling off 50-70%. One has to be careful. We may not see a follow-up move. So, for example, a Gland Pharma today is up 15-18%. We may see a fade off in names like these. One has to be careful. The risk reward is not great. But if somebody is looking out for a bounce back trade, there is a lot of slabs which is at 310, which can bounce back. That is one. But overall, leadership is clearly in terms of I would still go a little safe because the sector is still not out of the woods. So on dips, Dr. Reddy's would be interesting, and Sun Pharma continues to be the best bet.
Kunal, it's ironical, right? I mean, the biggest underperforming sector of 2023 or 2022 has become the sudden outperforming sector.
Well, absolutely, Nikunj. So I think this is how the market tends to play out. There are phases where sectors and stocks remain to be huge underperformers, and then all of a sudden, once the mojo comes back, it comes back with a big bang for many of these stocks and sectors. Just a classic example to go back 2007 to 17, 10 years, Reliance Industries remained in a range. And once the stock managed to break out in 2017, you saw a different league of the stock moving up almost 4x to 5x in a matter of 3 to 4 years post that. So I would expect that from a short to medium term basis, what these pharma stocks and the buying is suggesting is that this is the start of a major possible multi-month, multi-quarter rally. So yes, these stocks have run up 10 to 15% approximately from their previous swing lows. But when the fund flow starts to get into this kind of a league, that's where the stock goes into a multi-month, quarter breakout. So I believe traders could look to start accumulating the stock even at current levels. Use a 5% dip on average as a benchmark to try and average out. I will still stick to the larger cap names first. Dr. Reddy, Divi, Slab, Cipla could be preferred names, and then once these stocks tend to move up higher, that's where traders could look to start buying the mid cap names in the pharma pack.